How is the elephant like? The elephant is big. How is the mouse like? The mouse is small. What is she? She is happy. What is he? He is sad. How is the weather like? The weather is good. How is the weather like? The weather is bad. How is the car? The car is fast. How is the snail? The snail is slow. What is the child? The child is young. What is the man? The man is old. What is she? She is rich. What is he? He is poor. What is the woman like? The woman is strong. What is the man like? The man is weak. What is this house? This house is expensive. What is this house? This house is cheap. How is winter? Winter is cold. How is summer? Summer is hot. How is the feather? The feather is light. How is the weight? The weight is heavy. How are the hands? The hands are dirty. How is the table? The table is clean. What is that? That is right. What is that? That is wrong. How is the cup? The cup is full. How is the room? The room is empty. How is the night? The night is dark. How is the day? The day is bright. How is the pillow? The pillow is soft. How is metal? Metal is hard.